All right, everybody. As I was saying before in an earlier video, it's a sad and somber day here in my garage. We have Trent back here with us. And this really makes me mad. This just goes and shows, some of the scummy people that are out there in the world. Basically, what we have had happened was right here, those rods that we had in the splitter and the bumper that connected the splitter to the bumper here. Somebody came along, and you can tell by the way that this is bent out and the way that this is blown out here. Somebody must have needed one for their car, came by, stepped on this, blew that out of the bumper, and basically tried to rip it out, because you can see the way that this is bent and contorted here, that somebody was trying to rip that out of there. Which really, really makes me mad, because other than that, I mean, when he was driving home, the other one just, it didn't have the power to hold it alone. And basically, this is the really, really messed up part. Cleaner hole, so you can tell the pressure just kind of sucked it right through from driving with only the one on. And then it sucked down, and the pressure threw it into the road. And look what we got here. So it's a sad day. So we're gonna be taking this off today. We're gonna be ordering another one here and, putting it back on after we fix up the bumper. Had somebody barge in when I was trying to talk there, so I apologize for that. Now I lost my train of thought.
You're talking about how pissed you are because people are grimy and can't take care of anything because they don't have it, apparently.
Oh yeah, that's right, because somebody was ripping that bar out, so we have to deal with this. I mean, this is not what anybody wanted to see, especially with how good it looked and all the hard work that we put in. Some people out there just don't respect what you have and like what you can do, so they like to take it for themselves. Somebody, it's a freaking like $3 part that somebody didn't want to go out and buy themselves, so they're like, oh, there's one. They go and they do one of these jobs, blow it out of the bumper, and then try to rip out at it. I mean, it just really makes me mad, and has everybody here that Trent most off because it's his car, and then me and Tristan are ticked off about it too, because we put all this hard work, 2 pretty much 10-hour nights trying to get this car done and looking right, so that Trent was happy with it, which we were all happy with it for a while. Lasted about 5 days to a week until he ran into an area that there's apparently people who want to try to steal your rods out of your your front splitter there. So we're just gonna overcome adversity here, get a new one in. Trent was in contact with the guy that manufactures these and sells these, and said he'd help him out with a new one after he explained what happened. So it's really cool that that guy from AeroBlitz was able to do that. So there is some good to see out of this, but I mean, just a whole setback in general. Just hoping we can get the part in and the part on before it goes for wrap. So I didn't want to have to bring a video to this like this to the channel and get everybody down, but just a forewarning. I mean, you always got to be careful. There's always people out there who just don't have any courtesy or like respect for other people's property, and they see something they want, they're going to try to take it. So always just be careful. Now obviously there's not really much you can do about this since it's an exterior part, but you never know who's out there and who's around the corner. So I mean, just be very careful. Park it in a very open area where a lot of people can see it, if you're out going places or visiting people, so that something like this does happen, there's a chance that somebody can, see it and help get you some information, so that maybe you can at least bring some justice to the situation. That's a very sad time, and we're just going to do what we can and do the best for it. So we're not down for the count. We're going to keep busting away at this, because we have a lot of other plans we want to do for this. It's just all those are going to be set back a little bit more because we have to spend some extra cash on getting this little ordeal fixed up. Anyway, sad times are upon us, but there's not much we can do about it now. So we're just gonna go order the part and get it in and get back to work on this project. So anyway, comment down below what you think of this situation. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Just, I don't even know what to say anymore after that. Got me all down in the dumps. So anyway, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.